Describe a time when your computer broke down. You should say when it was, what were you doing, what you did about it, and how you felt about it. Well, today is an age of computers and internet, and hence we've become so dependent on computers. Even I am no different, and I do all my work on a computer. But at times, so much dependence on technology can backfire, and something similar happened to me a short time back when, amidst a very urgent work, my computer failed me. During the lockdown, I had ample time, so I thought of gaining some extra skill, for which I enrolled myself for an online French language course. I managed to complete my course successfully, and it was time to take my A-level certification exam. I was well prepared and pretty confident that I would be able to clear the exam easily. Well, on the day of the exam, I logged into the site and accessed the paper. I started to attempt the same, and till then it seemed like a cakewalk when all of a sudden, halfway through the exam, my screen went blank. For a second, I just stared blankly at the screen and I did not realize what had happened. Slowly and gradually, it dawned upon me that there had been a computer failure. I immediately panicked and started futile attempts to switch on the computer. However, it refused to comply, and despite my repeated attempts, I could not get my computer to start again. I eventually gave up when I realized that now it was impossible to get it started again. Suddenly, despair took over as it was impossible for me to complete my exam. I was so depressed at the thought of missing an opportunity to clear my certification exam that it took me some time to get normal again. I now had no other option but to book my exam again, which meant paying my examination fee again. Today also, when I reflect on this incident, it feels like a nightmare. This particular experience taught me that there is no denying that technology has made our life so much easier, yet there are many flip sides which cannot be ignored. Thank you.